Thank you for purchasing Testifier XT-R2. In this video, we'll guide you on how to access and use our cloud portal and reports. Access the cloud portal. If admin access is enabled on your account, you will be able to log in to the cloud portal using the same company email and password you use for the app. Here you will see the following 4 sections: Reports, Devices, Technicians, and Settings. All technicians need to be registered in order to use Testifier XT-R2. You can do this by opening the Technician section, selecting Add New User, and inserting the necessary details. If you tick Admin Access, this means the technician will have access to the cloud portal. Once complete, all technicians will appear in the technicians list. Technicians can also be removed from the account in this section. Once a new technician has been added, they will receive an email with instructions on how to get started. Each Testifier XT-R2 needs to be registered via the cloud portal. This is easily done via the Devices section. Select Add a new device, enter the serial number of your Testifier XT-R2 and add device. The product will now appear on the list of devices. Devices can also be removed from the account in this section, and the consumable status of each device can be checked using the eye icon. All test reports sent from the Technicians app are accessed via the Reports section. Reports can be filtered by location, technician, or date. Select View to access your chosen report on screen, or request a PDF version to receive an email link. In the report, you will see details about the technician, the device used, and the detector tested, all with the time and date stamped test results and any additional notes made during the site visit. Remember, your reports can be customized with your company logo. Simply go to Settings and select Upload Logo. For further help and support, please visit our website.